Oh, got him. Got him. All right, guys, welcome back. Back in my snakehead honey hole. Got my frog tied on, and I also got a nice big swim bait. I was throwing the pink swim bait last time. I'm gonna try the little bigger paddle tail here. Oh yeah. Just launched. Alright guys, I know a big snakehead lives around here. Oh, something just broke right there. We have prime conditions right now. Overcast. It's like 67 degrees. It's kind of fronty. It's been some random storms here and there. There's zero wind. Like, it's going to happen tonight, guys. For sure. Just going to pepper these banks. Throw this big swim bait around too. Then cast nice. There's one. Pickerel. Got him. In the net. In the net. Forgot my damn lip grips. Son of a bitch. It's a nice one too. Come on. Don't move, buddy. Oh my God, he's so fragile. Nice little pickerel right there. Freaking hard to handle, man. It's gone. Pickerels love that swim bait. Alright, there should be some fish right here. Another terrible cast. You know what? I'm gonna go inside this little hole. Wow. freaking braid just snapped. What? I think that was a good bass too. And I think my frog flew behind me. Oh man. Now I gotta retie. And I need a leader. What the fuck? Well, that sucks. I lost my nice popping frog. And I lost a nice fish. But I'm pretty sure my frog went flying too. So at least the fish doesn't have the frog in its mouth right now. I tried looking back there to see it floating, but I'm pretty sure it went up in the weeds, I'm sure. In the jungle. I ain't finding it, but I got more frogs. It's all good. Pretty sure that was a bass. I saw a lot of green. I didn't see any stripes or anything like a snakehead, but just doing a little double uni knot for a leader. Oh, giant beaver. Just scared all the fish. Another giant beaver coming straight at me. Looks like a dog swimming in the water. Things are everywhere back here. There he goes. Come on, there's gotta be a fish right here, man. Shit. I looked him dead in the eye. God damn it. I hate these damn beavers. They scare the shit out of me. Ugh. Oh, got him. Got him. All right. Finally, baby. Man, these things are hard to grab. Come on, buddy. Stop getting me wet. That one's out. Just want to get a good look at you. Ah, damn. Got one. Sorry, I forgot my fish strips, but he'll be alright. He's a little guy. Freaking got me soaked too. God.
There's 2 TVs in MPU, 2 display TVs.
Mm-hmm.
That's been in there for like 6 months.
Uh-huh.
Just sitting there. What's going on? They get cut back? What's going on?
They used one, was for the one I'm going to use for when the GoPro comes back, the GoPro pallet. That's
Okay.
what that's from, and the other one I think is from membership
Okay.
for their little thing, whatever they do,
Okay.
their table.
It's the little
Oh,
table at the end, but they don't have
I got him, Sid. Oh, he came off. God damn it.
Alright, see ya.
Ugh.
Have fun.
Bye.
Love you.
Love
Bye.
you. Damn, I was on the phone with my wife. Great, stupid ass beaver. I saw that weight come. God, he came out of the water and nailed it. I can't believe I didn't hook him. He just didn't get any hooks. See if he'll hit it again. Let's see if he'll hit it again. They usually will. If he's in the same area. Holy shit. God damn it. What's up, guys? Back at the house. That was a little better trip. I actually landed a nice little snakehead. It was a small one, but there's some big ones back there. I got a nice pickerel, and I lost that bass when I don't know what happened, my braid snapped or anything or something, but yeah, I'm gonna keep hitting that spot. It's still early in the summer, late. That spot will produce all summer long. It's pretty awesome. There's also another spot. There's another end to that spot where I can launch from that I haven't even went yet. But it's a little bit smaller. But there's some bigger snakeheads there. I'll probably go there next. But yeah, stay tuned, and I have more saltwater stuff coming too, of course, like always. But thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And thank you.